table. Is it on? Yeah. So when I call your table, boys and girls, I need you. I'll wait till I have your attention. Thank you. We're going to just ignore that. So when I call your table, stand, tuck, and walk to your spot at the carpet, please. Right? And you may stay standing. Someone need me. Oh, it's going to be a long wait. How can I help you?
I'll put this on your desk. The question.
Oh, okay. Thank you. You can put it, yeah, on my desk. All right. So looks to me like, oh, you know what I love? I love the yellow hexagon. You are still looking at me. Thank you. Come to the carpet. Stand and tuck. Come right here. Blue rhombus. Stand and tuck. Come right here. Green triangle. Stand and tuck. Boy, I see walking feet. I see you coming over here, following directions quickly. Thank you so much. Good job. And remembering to walk. Red trapezoid. Would you walk over here, please, after you tuck in your chair? Oh, man, Carter. First day, you got it. Thank you so much for being respectful. Remember, your spot is right here in the pond next to the red line. Awesome. Very good. All right, boys and girls, do you remember that I was flashing you some cards yesterday? I'm going to flash you some more today, okay? So I'm going to flash you a card, and remember, I do it fast. So I need you to sit up and be ready, because I want you to flash it fast. I want you to be ready. Now, you are not going to tell me. Do you remember it's zip? Oh, I can see Lucy's ready with her hand. She's ready to show me how many. And remember, it's going to only be on one hand, so your other hand is down. This does not look ready. This looks ready. Oh, yeah, I see ready. Okay, get ready. Get your hands up. You're going to show me. Don't tell me. Show me on your fingers how many are in here. Ready? Here's my flash. It's going to be fast. Huh? Try that again. Ready? Get ready. Show me, don't tell me. Oh. Tell me how many? 4. Now wait a minute. How did you do it so fast the second time? Wait. I want to know which one was easier. The first one or the second one? So which one was easier? Don't. Focus your attention. Okay, here's what I want you to do. Tell your carpet partner which one was easier. In level 1. Tell your partner. Remember, everybody talks, then everybody listens. And now you can help her by doing what I do, then she'll know, oh, Mrs. Turco said it's time to stop. All right, get ready. I'm pulling sticks, so let me see what... Valor is not here. Anaya, which one was easier? I'm going to show them to you, and I want you to touch the one that was easier. Which one was easier? Yeah, which one was easier? Charlie, what did you say was easier? Touch it.
This one.
You didn't even show me how many that was. Okay, you can sit down. Okay, I get to start all over. Okay, here's what I need. Once again, I want to know which one was easier. Think first. Was it this one?
No.
Oh, nope, think. Or this one. Okay, so was it the one on this hand or the one on this hand? This one or this one? Point to the one you think is easier. Point to the one you think was easier. This one or this one? Okay, put your hands down. Amelia, why did you say this was easier?
Because it was 4.
But why was this easier than this? Do you know why? Was this easier? Why don't you tell your carpet partners, boys and girls, why you think that one was easier? Take a turn and listen. Good job, Carter. You need to talk. Why was that one easier? Okay. I'm giving you some great ideas. Okay. Now Amelia has had some time to think about why was that one easier? And she heard her partner. What I liked was she took a turn and her partner took a turn. Lucy, why was this easier?
Because it's the top one.
Because it's a row? Okay. Let's see what somebody else says. Good job, Lucy. Gigi, why was that easier?
Because it was straight.
It was straight? Was the other one not straight? Is that straight?
No.
Oh, right. Okay, let's get one more. Soraya, why was that easier?
Because it's kind of the same as the 4.
You just knew it was a 4?
No.
It was the same as a 4?
Yeah,
Okay.
It got all mixed up together.
Oh, the other one got all mixed up?
Yeah.
Oh, s-
In the picture.
in the picture, it was all mixed up?
Yeah.
All right, so boys and girls, we got to figure this out. So today, we're going to talk about, let's go back up here to our Y square. Oh, I almost got your razor. All right, boys and girls, so I'm going to show you what we're going to do today. So today, you're going to be able to tell me, you are going to be able to tell the number of dots in a set. What are you going to be able to do today? Tell the
Dots in the set.
My turn. Tell the number of dots in a set. Your turn. Oh. Tell your hand. What are you going to learn today? Tell the number of dots in a set. Your turn. Louder. Tell. Oh. Tell the number of dots in a set. How about tell the ceiling? Tell the number of dots in a set. Your turn.
Tell the numbers of dots in the set.
Oh, good. You know what? Your knee didn't hear it. Tell your knee. Tell the number of dots in a set. Oh, awesome. Now, tell your carpet partner. What are we going to do today?
Tell the numbers of dots in the set. I think
And zip. Everybody, what are you going to do today?
Tell the numbers of dots in the set.
You're going to be able to tell the numbers of dots in a set. And you got it so great, I got another one for you. You're also going to show the number of dots in a set. So you're going to tell and show. I want to know why would it be important to be able to tell how many are in a set? Why would that be important? Think. Why would Mrs. Turco want to make sure that you can know the number of dots in a set? Think about that. Why do you think that would be important? If you have any idea why you think that might be a good idea, put your hand on your head. Hold your idea in. I see some people really thinking, but they don't have an idea yet. Why do I need to know how to tell how many dots are in a set? Oh, hold it in. All right, now, in level 1, tell your carpet partner. What do you think? Why do you think that's a good thing to know? And you also have to listen. Talk and listen. Did you talk to your carpet partner? I need your attention now. All right, let's see if somebody figured it out with their carpet partner. Abel, what did you figure out with your carpet partner? Why do you need to know how many things are in a set?
Because then you need ripple.
Okay. Logan, you're his partner. Why would you need to be able to tell how many numbers are in a set?
Probably because when you can't count.
Oh, okay. So sometimes you can't count. Okay. How about this one? Phoenix, I should have your attention. Jedediah, why do you think?
Like, we haven't came up with anything.
Oh, you haven't come up with anything.
We haven't did it.
Okay, thanks for telling me. I'll give one more person a chance. Oh, Valor. We miss him when he's not here, but he's not here. How about Phoenix? Why would it be important to know or be able to tell how many are in a set?
Because, then we won't, gonna count.
Okay, it's because you won't have to count. Okay, I heard that a couple times. I'm going to tell you why, boys and girls. So now it's my turn to tell you why it's important. It's important for you to be able to know how many are in a set because sometimes it's not going to be 4. It's going to be 104. And it takes so long to count. So I want you to be able to figure out what those numbers are by looking quickly because you can organize numbers quickly and then you can solve really hard math problems. So that's why we need to do that. All right, let's do a quick turn and give me your attention, please. Check your bodies. Almost ready. Check your bodies. Not ready. Ready. Not ready. Ready. Spoons are in your bowl. Eyes are on me. Oh, that's so much better. Thank you. Okay, good. So I'm going to ask you real quickly. Touch your nose if you can tell me what this tool is. Touch your nose if you can tell me what this tool is. We've been working with this tool. Think in your head, Charlie. Don't look around. Think for you. What is this tool? All right, would you tell your partner? Vivian Maverick? Or Phoenix? Charlie and Anaya? All right, get ready. Let's see if someone knows. Noah, what was this tool called?
Be big really quick.
What is this called? What did Hannah say?
I was trying to tell her, but
What did she say to you when you were listening?
I was trying to get her to say it, but her wasn't saying.
So can you figure out what this is? What is this called?
It's called dot thing.
That's a dot thing? Let's see if somebody else. Boys and girls, stand up if you think it's called a dot thing. Let's see if somebody else has an idea. How about Logan? What is this tool called?
5-frame.
Okay, stand up if you think it's called a 5-frame. Abel, what do you think this is called? Oh, it is a 5-frame, so you gotta be standing. You're right, this tool is called a 5-frame, so we're gonna work with a 5-frame today. All right, would you sit back down on your spot, be ready to talk to your partner? Something I need you to remember, boys and girls, when you're talking to your partner is one person takes a turn while the other person listens, and then the listener gets a turn to talk, and the talker gets a turn to listen. Okay, so make sure you do both things. You talk and you listen. Right now you're on your pockets, so you know what I'm gonna ask of you. Remember how we practiced this morning? Get ready so the people behind you can see. See how you're in your shoes? Get on your pockets. You are such a fast learner on your first day of school, Carter. I'm so proud of you. Are you proud of yourself? You sure should be. So, boys and girls, what I want to know is, what do you remember about a 5-frame? I want you to be able to tell me something about a 5-frame. So what do you remember about a 5-frame? Everybody right now, think. If you have one thing that you remember about a 5-frame, put one finger on your thinker. If you can remember 2 things about a 5 frame, put 2 fingers on your. If you can remember 3 things about a 5 frame, put up 3 fingers on your thinker. Okay, right now you're just thinking, what do you remember about this tool of a 5 frame? Everybody should remember at least one thing. So everybody should at least have 1 finger. This says, I think I'm about to fall asleep. This says, oh yeah, I'm participating, I'm ready to go. Oh yeah, oh, I see Charlie has 3 things she knows. Oh, I see some of you with 1 and 2. Way to think. Now, I want you to share all of your ideas with your carpet partner. So if you have 3 fingers up, you need to tell your carpet partner 3 things. Excuse me. Did I say go? Show me ready. All right. So you're going to say your 3 things. If you had 2 things, share both things. If you said 1 thing, say 1 thing. Okay. And level 1, talk to your carpet partner. Taking a turn. Did you already have a turn? You have to have a turn to talk. Did you talk? Did you talk? Perfect. That was so fast getting back to me. So now I'm going to find out how many things we can come up with. Some people said 3 things. So let's see if you can tell me what you remember about this tool. First of all, you already know it's called a 5 frame. What else do you know about that? We miss you when you're not here. Luke's not here today. Carter, what do you notice about a 5 frame? On your pocket so people can still see the 5 frame.
Maybe you have to like keep doing this and it takes a picture and it keeps doing 4s and 5s.
Okay, so let's see what else. You did great on your first day of school, Carter. Vivi, what did you guys talk about is a 5 frame?
I said
What's it? What? Okay.
Number 2 and number 3. So number 1 is that word starts of numbers, which is, and then the other one is numbers, and then number 3 is that it's a 5 frame.
Okay, so she said there's numbers, that there's dots to fill in numbers, and then that it's a 5 frame, and that there were spaces. No, what was the other thing?
That it's a frame.
It's a 5 frame. And what was the second thing? That's what I said. Second thing. What was your second thing?
It holds numbers of
Oh, it holds numbers of dots. If this were filled, how many dots would it be?
5.
Why 5? How do you know that it's 5?
Because you can make, when you look at it, you know that it's 5.
Okay. You know that it's 5? Preston, how many spaces are there on a 5 frame?
5.
There's always 5, isn't there? There is. Okay, we're going to do a quick warm up and I'm going to have you show me your fingers to show me the numbers I flashed to you to practice up. And that's just showing me with your fingers. But remember today I said you're also going to show me a different way of showing me. So you're not going to tell me. I want you to show me, please, how many I show you. Okay, so I'm going to flash them to you. Get ready, sit up. You got to be ready because I go fast. Logan's ready. I go fast. Ready? Don't tell me, show me. When my hand drops, tell me how many. How many?
3.
Let's count to confirm.
1, 2, 3.
You got it. Okay, let's see if I can give you a harder one. That looks too easy. How about, oh yeah. Ready? Do you have an emergency?
So I know how I did it because I counted.
Okay, great. Ready? Here we go. going to be faster. Get that hand ready. Watch my hand drop. How many?
2.
Okay, I'm going to give you one, and I'm not going to have to give you any time to count. Ready? You better be ready because it's fast. How many?
5.
How did you do that?
Because I counted.
You didn't count. There's no way you could count. So here's what I know, boys and girls. I know that when I look at this, that there's 5 spaces, and they all start on the left. Did you notice that they all start on the left? When I do these, wait a minute, it started on the left. Does it skip a space?
No.
So I'm noticing that it always starts on the left and it doesn't skip a space. I'm going to need to remember that. That's something I'm going to need to remember to do because remember, you are going to build them today. So you be prepared for that, please. All right. So it's just about time to go, but I think we should practice our transition word before we go. So get ready, please. Put your eyes on me. And I know you don't know this yet, but we've been practicing this for a day. They're getting really good at it, and you'll get good at it too, just like you've been good at everything else. Okay, my turn. Subitize.
Think.
Quickly.
Knowing how many without counting. Subitize.
You're right. So what you just did was subitize. And remember, that's important, just like we talked about when we did the what, why square. When you can subitize numbers, then when you see big bunches of numbers or a whole bunch of dots, you can organize them in your head and know them quickly because you know how to subitize groups of them. One more time. Say it with me. My turn first. Subitize.
Subitize. Quickly knowing without
How many?
counting.
Good. Would you stand on your spot, please? When you go to your table, you are going to remember to follow the listening and learning rules. Remember, your eyes will be watching, your ears will be listening, your voice is, and your body is
Still.
excellent. When you go to your table, you have 2 things to do. You are going to take the mat from under your lunch cup. I want you to notice mine. Oh, not that side. Not doing that one. Doing this one. So lay it in front of you with the 5 frame showing. I will get one person from each table to get a cup of their cubes, and you'll bring the cubes to your table. You need the 5 frame, and you need 5 cubes. And I want the cubes lined up right down here on the bottom, underneath it. All right? Okay, here we go. Logan, would you get the yellow hexagon bin of cubes and go to your table? Yellow hexagon, go to your table and put your 5 frame up in front of you. And Lucy, would you go get the blue rhombus bin and bring it to your table? Everybody from blue rhombus, go put the 5 frame up at your table. Jedediah, go get the red trapezoid bin. Everybody from red trapezoid, go get your your 5 frame and put it up. And then green triangle, I'll have Gigi go get the green bin and get the cubes at your table. So everybody's working hard to get their 5 cubes on their 5 frame.
What are you trying to talk about?
You're sitting at your table. You're getting one of these from under your lunch cup and putting it in front of you, and then count out 5 cubes and put it on your 5 frame. You're going to get 5 cubes in a 5 frame and put it on your spot. Oh, Preston, you look a lot like you're doing what we were talking about looks like, and that is, it looks like helping. That's one of the things that respect looks like. Just grab it and go. Get your backpack and go. All right, let me do a quick check and make sure that everybody's got it going. Thank you for being helpers. If you're waiting, you can just get a drink of water. That will help you feel a little bit more refreshed and ready to go. Jedediah, I think you could help Carter by showing her how we line up our things. Excellent. Very good. Oh, thanks for remembering that. I'll borrow yours. What, honey? I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you, Amelia.
See you tomorrow. I'll see you tomorrow.
All right, may I have your attention, please? Oh, I love it. Water bottles got put away. Hands are folded. Your eyes are on me. So remember, your eyes are watching, your ears are listening, your voice is quiet, and your body is still. Now, this time, I want your attention to be on the screen. So when I say, may the screen have your attention, you're going to look at the screen. Ready? May the screen have your attention. Amelia, you need to walk right out that door and go see your mom and dad. All right, so boys and girls, you can see that I have a 5 frame in front of me, just like you do. And you did a good job of lining up your 5 cubes. Ready to go. Now, this time I'm going to flash. So I'm going to take this black paper off of a card, and you're not going to do it. You're just going to keep your hands folded and watch me. See if I can do it as fast as you can. Okay, now I'm going to build it like you did. Okay, so here I go. Remember, you're not going to do it. You're going to watch me. Mason, eyes on screen. Or Preston, eyes on screen. Okay, I'm going to flash it. See if you can think in your head without telling me what it is. Look on the screen. I'm going to flash it. No, you're not talking. It's my turn. Okay. I had no way of counting that. But wait, I can think about something. Okay. I remember from the carpet that I have to start on the left. But I also noticed when I looked at that they were all filled except the very last one. And I know I can't skip. So I don't know how many it was, but I'm going to try to figure it out by building. I know all of these were filled. And this one was empty. So I don't know how many that is yet, but I knew that. So I'm going to count to confirm and see how many it is. I'm going to count first, then I'll check. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I ended on 4, so I know there's 4. So I'm going to say 4. Okay, let's check. I'm going to give me a chance to check. Does it match? Yeah. Oh, whew, I did it. And let's count the black dots to see if I got 4. Count, please.
1, 2, 3, 4.
What'd we end on?
4.
So there's 4. We ended on 4, so there's 4. So I got it right. Awesome. Now, I'm going to empty my mat like this. So when I ask you to empty or clear your mat, you're going to move those right off the 5 frame and be ready for the next one. Okay? I'm going to mix this up real quick. And this one, you're going to do. Ready? Keep your eyes on the screen. I'm going to flash it fast, so be ready to look. Now, when I flash it, you will not say the number. You will not say how many. You will just build it on your own. Ready? Build. All right, so everybody stop if you're still working. I noticed that everybody put the same number of cubes on their mat. I'm just going to put my hand up and drop my hand, and you're going to say to me how many that is. Get ready.
4.
Let's count to confirm. I'm going to take that off. Here we go. Count with me.
1, 2, 3, 4.
What did we end on?
4.
So you know it's 4. You got 4. All right, this time really is going to be a different one. Get ready. I'm going to flash it, and you're going to build it like I just did. Like you just did. Your mats are cleared. I think I forgot to tell you to clear your mats. Clear your mats, please. So Carter, when I say clear your mats, put all of your cubes on the bottom. And Jedediah, since it's Carter's first day and she's never used the cubes for reading or for math, maybe you can just remind her. Do you mind being the helper friend? Awesome. All right. We are kind and caring friends, so we want to make sure that we help each other. Now, go ahead and put your eyes on the screen. When I flash it, you build it, but don't say anything. Here we go. All right. I'm just going to pull name sticks. Oh, you know what? Oh, I'll pull a name stick for this one, and then we'll get ready for the next one. Hannah, how many?
1.
Boys and girls, stand up if you have a 1. If you were thinking 1. Oh my goodness. All right, sit down. Let's count to confirm.
1.
How many?
1.
1. All right, there's 1. But keep it on there. Don't clear your mats. You have to figure out with your team, with your table group. So this is a time you're going to talk to your table group. Oh, first, everybody look up and double check your number. What's your numbered spoon number? Look up. You got to know what it is. If someone at your table is absent or missing, figure out who's going to take that number.
4.
Who's going to take that number? Figure it out. Who's going to take number? Okay, Jedediah's got it.
I'm going to.
Who's going to take round 3? Okay. You are? All right, here we go. Oh, we're not touching that mat. Okay, here's the question. If there's 1, I want to know how many spaces there are. You have 1 cube. How many spaces? Figure out with your group. How many spaces? Figure out with your group. You got to talk to your group. How many spaces? There's 1 cube, and how many spaces? It shouldn't be cleared. Everybody needs to know. Did you talk and listen? You got to get up and participate. How many cubes? How many spaces? Nope, tell your group. If you get called on, you have to know. Oh, keep it inside until you get called on.
It's 4. It's 4. It's 4. It's 4.
You say it once, remember, everybody gets a chance to know. All right, back to your spot. All right, let's see whose turn it is. If you're the brown 3, stand up. Thank you for being a substitute. Thank you for being a substitute. All right, Hannah, if there's 1 cube, how many spaces?
4.
Perfect. Sit down. If there's 1 cube, how many spaces, Logan?
4.
4. And Charlie, if there's 1 cube, how many spaces?
4.
4. Gigi, there's 1 cube and how many spaces?
4.
Oh, okay, now I got one more for you, so get ready. Keep it just like it is. If there's 1 cube and 4 spaces, how many is that all together?
5.
Oh, do we shout out? We don't steal answers. So let's not do that the next time. Okay, I'm so glad you're anxious to learn and share your information, but next time let's let everybody have a turn to learn. Okay, all right, so we'll do that on the next one. So we're gonna think about that on the next one. Okay, clear your mats. I got another one. Get ready to build. Oh, that wasn't the one, so don't think that was it. Sorry, I forgot to pick it up. So don't build one. Jedediah, are you being a helpful, respectful friend by helping Carter do the right thing? Use your gentle words and help her, please. your job is to listen to your friends when they're helping you, and he's telling you to clear the mat, and it looks like this. So when I say clear the mat, you take them all off. All right, here we go. Get ready. I'm going to do a quick flash, and you're going to build. Don't say, please. Don't say. Here we go. Okay, I'm really impressed how fast that was. They told me to give you 1 to 2 seconds. I gave you less than 1 second. Okay, here's what I need you to do. Count how many cubes you have. Don't clear your mats. Count how many cubes, and everybody figure it out. When I call on you, you need to know. So everybody at your table, tell your team how many cubes you have. Tell your team how many cubes you have. How many cubes? You might want to think about how many spaces also. Thank you. Just a reminder. You say it one time. You don't say it over and over. He's right. But you can say it in a kind way. Right? You're a kind boy. You know how to talk kindly. All right. Ready? Purple ones. If you're the purple one, stand up. Yep, and then, okay, get ready. All right. Phoenix, how many cubes are on your mat?
3.
3. You may sit down. Logan, listen to my question. How many spaces are empty on your mat?
2.
Oh, so we had 3 cubes, 2 spaces. How many cubes are on your mat, Carter?
3.
Good. Stay standing. You're still a purple one. All right. How many spaces are on your empty spaces?
2.
Good job. All right. Get ready. We're going to move on. Clear your mat. Clear your mat. You got it. Good job. All right. Here we go. Take that one out of there. I'm going to flash one really fast. It's going to be super fast. That was it. One more time. Here it is. Whoops, sorry. Build it. How many dots were on that one? Were there any dots? Didn't take them all off. Okay, this is something that is a common mistake, and it's okay. So we got to think about how many dots were on that 5 frame. So look again. I'm going to give you another chance to look. How many dots are on the 5 frame? You only put a cube when there's a dot on the 5 frame. Here we go. Get ready. How many dots? Don't tell me. Just check what you built. All right. I want you to talk to your group about what number is that? How many dots? How many dots were on the cube? How many dots are on it? Okay, you can't put a cube on unless there's a dot there. So you have to put those there. How many dots were there? Oh, well, then you have to have something. How many dots were on the 5 frame up there? Okay, then show that. How many dots were on that 5 frame?
I'm sorry, but I lost.
Oh, we're not talking stories. It's not story time. Okay, so look right here. There were no dots, so there can't be any cubes. Got it, Charlie. Oh, I saw a lot of fixing happening there. All right, without me pulling a stick, I want you to just look at that 5 frame. Show me on your hand how many dots are on that 5 frame. Logan, what's the numeral for this?
0.
We call nothing 0. So there's 0 cubes on the 5 frame. So there's 0 dots, so there's 0 cubes. But now here's the other thing. If there's 0 cubes, how many empty spaces are there? Tell me.
0.
0 empty spaces. How many of these spaces are empty? Well, don't tell me, just think it. So look right here. Look at the screen. Is this space empty?
Yes.
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 So if they're all empty, how many of the spaces, don't tell me, how many of the spaces are empty? Charlie? 5. If you think it's 5 spaces that are empty, stand up. Awesome. Go ahead and sit down. We're going to count to confirm. That was hard. And that's the tricky one. That was a tricky one because we are counting the dots. So we're counting the dots. None, 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 none. Oh, so then I asked you to count the empty spaces. So let's count the empty spaces. Let's try it again in a big voice.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So how many are empty?
5.
Excellent. So if I have 0 cubes and 5 empty spaces, how many is that all together?
5. 5.
It's 5. 0 and 5 still makes 5. Exactly. All right. You have already cleared your board because that was the direction. That was 0. But I'm going to give you another one. So get ready. Get ready to look. I'll take that one out. It's going to be fast. Look at the number of dots, please. Build it on your mat, but don't say anything. Build it. Awesome. I'm going to get help from Brown 3 again. Brown 3, be ready to tell me. Jedediah, I need a substitute for number 3 because she's in the restroom. Logan, how many cubes?
2.
Oh, did you see what he did? I'm not showing. He turned and looked at his mat. Good job. Gigi, listen carefully. How many empty spaces?
3.
3. 2 cubes, 3 empty spaces. Hannah, how many altogether?
5.
Jedediah, how many altogether? 5. Right, so if we have 2 and 3, everybody, how many altogether?
5.
Wow, that's awesome. Okay, get ready, clear your mats. Got my last one. Are you ready? I'm going to flash it fast. Eyes on the screen. Build it. In level 0. Now, here's what I need you to do. I need you to talk to your table. Tell me how many cubes are on your mat. So tell each other how many cubes are on your mat. How many cubes on your mat? Oh, in level so nobody else can hear you. Good. Talk to your partner. How many cubes are on your mat? How many cubes? Don't show so nobody else can see. When you're ready, I'll know you're sitting up in your seat quietly. Okay, numbered spoon is, oh, teal star. Just Lucy. Lucy, how many cubes are on your mat?
5.
If you have 5 cubes on your mat, or that's what your table said, show me 5 fingers, please. Awesome. Okay, Lucy, you can sit down. And now I want to know how many empty spaces there are. Trying to figure that out with your group.
0.
How many empty spaces?
Only
Anaya is part of your group. Anaya, you have to get up and figure it out with them. Come on out. Come on down. All right, get back to your spot. Get ready. I want to know if there's 5 cubes on, how many are off? So how many are blank? If you're pink 4, would you please stand up? Pink 4s, be ready. Thank you for being a substitute. Excellent. How many spaces are empty? So this is what I see on yours, Noah. How many spaces are empty?
0.
Oh, you remember that numeral for none? Good, it's 0. Excellent. So there's 0 that are blank. Excellent. And Preston, if there's 5 on and 0 blank, how many is that all together?
5.
You're right. So, Anaya, are blank. How many are empty? 0 is the numeral for none. Good. Good job. Jedediah, if there's 5 cubes and 0 blanks, how many is that?
0.
If there's 5 cubes and 0 blanks, how many is it altogether?
5.
5. That was kind of a tricky one. All right, I have one more question for you because I just noticed something. Go ahead and sit down. I'll pull one last number spoon for this. You need to be in a place where you can discuss with your group because this is what I want to know. You can go ahead with your mat. We're not going to do any flashes, but here's what I want to know, boys and girls. I just asked you if there were this many on and this many off, how many were all together? Every time I asked how many were all together,
5.
the answer was 5. Okay, don't tell me. Don't steal learning from other people. Tell your group, why were there 5 every time? When I counted how many were on and how many were off, why was it 5 every time? Be ready to answer when I call your spoon. So participate so you're ready to answer when I call your spoon. Come on over. Come on over. Come here. You guys gotta figure that out. You can think about that. If there's every single time. Come on, no. Come on, you gotta listen. You gotta listen to your group. Okay, every single time. How many were on? With the off. It always made 5. Why? Why did it always make 5?
Because there's 0.
Okay, but if there's 0 off and there's 5 on, altogether it's 5. Every time it was 5. Why? How many spaces are on a 5, right? Maybe that's why. You guys already know? Did you know?
I know.
You do? Oh, I'm ready to pull food. Looks like you're ready. All right, so I'm going to pull orange 2. Orange 2, stand up. Okay, this is tricky. I don't know. Why was it always 5? All right, Soraya, why was it always 5?
Because and so it was 5 and it was 0 like 5 and then it's matched together like a 5 frame.
Oh, because it was on a 5 frame. It matched together on a 5 frame. Thanks for your clear thinking for us. Vivi, why was it always 5?
Because each time we thought it was 5, because it was 0 put to 0, it makes 5.
So, but when it was 2 and 3, it was 5? When it was 1 and 4, it was 5. Why was it always 5?
Because when it put two of each, it can make 5
Why 5?
because it makes
What are you building them on there? What is this thing that you're building them on?
5 frames.
A what?
5 frames.
One more time.
5 frames.
A 45 frame?
No.
No, okay, a what?
A 5 frame.
Oh, a 2 frame?
No.
No, what was it again?
A 5 frame.
Oh, so why do you think it always equaled 5?
Because
Why altogether was it always 5?
3 and 2 make 5.
3 and 2 make 5. Let's see what Jedediah.
Me and Carter haven't eaten enough boyfriend.
Well, what's your idea? Why do you think it was always 5?
Because it's a 5 frame.
One more time.
Because it's a 5 frame.
Oh, a 45 frame?
A 5 frame.
Oh, it's a 5 frame. So it's a 5 frame. Anaya, you can go ahead and sit down at your spot. So Gigi, why did it always, was the answer always 5? Altogether it was always 5. What were you building on? What is this thing?
A 5 frame.
A what?
A 5 frame.
Okay, if you're building on a 5 frame, altogether it will always be 5. If it's on a 5 frame, every time, altogether it will be a
5 frame.
5. It will be a 5. Okay, Orange Twos, you can sit down. Really quick, let's review what we were talking about. So today, I told you you were going to be able to tell how many numbers were in a set. Stand up if you were able to quickly look and know how many to build on your set. Stand up if you were able to do that. When I flash 3, stand up if you put 3 cubes on your mat. Oh, you did, Charlie. When I showed 3, could you put 3 cubes on your mat? Oh, then stand up. When I flashed 3, could you put 3 cubes on your mat? But did you do it when I flashed it to you? Yeah, you did. So stand up. So boys and girls, I told you today, I can tell the number of cubes or numbers in a set. And you did it. So what that's doing is how you subitize. Practice that with me. Subitize.
Subitize. Quickly knowing how many without counting.
You don't need to take the time to count when you subitize. So you did awesome. Please listen to this direction. When I ask you to sit down, you're going to put all 5 of your cubes. Oh wait, did I say throw your cubes or put your cubes?
Put your cube.
Put your cubes gently into the bin and stack up your 5 frame under that bin. And then I'll tell you which workplace you can get. All right, go ahead. Put your cubes in the bin. Put your cubes in the bin. Nope, they go here, Gigi. They go under.
There you go.
Oh, Noah, I love how you're putting them in. And, hexagon, would you get in line to go to the bathroom? You need those under that. Your mats go under your lunch cup. Oh, looks like green triangle, you're ready. So green triangle, I want you to go get the polydrons. Those things you snap together and make a hinge. Go get it. Each of you needs to go get a polydron. All right, looks like this group's ready. Yep, everybody from Green Triangle needs to take a bin of polydrons. Everyone from Blue Rhombus needs to go get Unifix cubes, the cubes that link together. You need to get a polydron bin. Everyone from Red Trapezoid, you're going to come get the pattern blocks. Yes, Preston, thank you for listening and following directions. Phoenix, you have to come get yours. You need to come get yours, Soraya. Everyone from your table needs to get Unifix cubes. This is you right here. You're the orange bin. You're the orange one. Yep, you have to get from this one. You're getting Unifix cubes. Okay, look at me. Thank you for trying your best. I don't want you to get frustrated because you don't know everything the other kids know, because you know a lot. So thank you for trying your best. That's how we get better and better at things. Oh, I want that right here in the middle. Okay, good job. These open this way. You lift, and then it just lifts open. Can I have it off? Okay. How many?
2, 4,
Thanks for joining me. That's nice. How many?
1.
Awesome. Lucy. So fast. Noah, yellow hexagon is at the geoboards in the pond.
Is it your own? There had to be more blocks to put up. 3. Yes.
Good. Oh, sorry. I think I did that. Blue Rock, would you leave your things there and use the bathroom, please? Ready? How many is that?
Nothing.
What's the number for nothing? What's the numeral for nothing?
A.
My turn. 0. Your turn.
0.
Oh, look at me. Good. Oh, no, you're not done. I'll tell you when you're finished.
5.
Good.
1.
Okay, Gigi, just a minute. Ready? Good. Perfect. Awesome. I'm behind you. Can you tuck in? Am I go by? Right, and I your turn. Tell me how many.
1.
Good. How many?
2.
Very good.
4.
Good job. Awesome. Keep working. Jedediah.
3.
I think I'm doing them fast because you're so fast. You ready?
5.
Yes. See if I can trick you.
0.
Nope, I can't. Last one.
4.
Yes, awesome. Charlie. Sorry. Charlie, I'm going to flash these to you and you have to tell me how many. Ready? Good.
Look what I made. A farm like I made the farm like this.
Ready? Ready, Charlie? Yes. All right, Carter, you're going to tell me how many. I'm going to just flash it to you, and you have to tell me how many it is. Ready?
None of 5.
No, none, but I need to know the numeral for none. That's what I died. What's the numeral for 1?
What's the numeral for 1?
None. What's the numeral for none?
What's the numeral? 0.
Good. See if you can get this one. Are you ready? Don't touch. No, you gotta concentrate. How many?
1.
Good. Your turn. I'm gonna flash this to you.
It's a circle. I just made a triangle.
You did? How do you know it's a triangle?
we make? It got 4 sides.
Count again. How many sides?
1, 2.
How many? Oh, that's how you know it's a triangle. It's got 3 sides. Okay, your turn.
5. I'm gonna make pictures. 3. I made 4.
Oh, you got it. You corrected yourself. Good. Okay, Logan, your turn. Ready? How many is that?
0.
Good job.
Whoa!
Here's another one.
How big
Oh,
this
keep
one
going.
is? How big this one is, Miss
How many?
Turco?
Good job.
But Miss Turco, look how big this is.
I got one more.
3.
Good. So Noah, when we were building those, we were talking about open shapes and closed shapes. It was a day you were gone. So we're not going to put any of our shapes. We're going to try to make shapes. So here are, I want you to make this isosceles triangle. Oh, look it. It looks like this one, only bigger. So I'm going to put it underneath there, and you're going to make this one. But I want you to do your numbers with me first. Ready? Can you do it on a flash? You think you're fast?
Yes, I finally made a square.
How many?
4.
Count your fingers.
1, 2, 3.
How many was it?
3.
Let's count to confirm.
1, 2, 3.
You got it. This one, ready? How many?
5.
Ooh, there, good subitizing. I got another one for you. Ready? Okay, here we go. How many?
5.
Count to confirm.
1, 2, 3, 4.
How many?
4.
Now you count.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Noah, do you notice how great you're doing?
I can't remember my face.
You work so hard. I love it. So you're going to take all of these off and make that isosceles triangle. Okay? I want you to use one of those shapes and build it for me, or make a shape. This is not a shape. This is not a shape. It's a diagonal line though, isn't it? Those big orange ones are hard to use.
I can try.
Excellent.